welcome our first shining star, Aim Mubyo. Hello.
Hello.
It's so nice to see you again. What have you prepared for us today?
I'm singing a Myanmar classical song.
Myanmar classical song again. It's never boring to listen to classical songs. So, who will be supporting your performance today?
My brother, Kuku Pipongsha.
Pipongsha. I heard he's very talented in piano playing. So, I'm really excited to listen to your performance. Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, everyone, let's enjoy it together. so nice to meet you again. You and your brother took part in MITV's Quiz Time and Shining Stars programs, right? So performing in front of audience isn't new for you. You've both been on stage several times, right? So I really want to know, how are you feeling right now?
I'm happy and excited.
Happy and excited at the same time. So just take a deep breath and enjoy this moment. For those who may not be familiar to this song, could you please share the name of the song?
Pia Baza.
Pia Baza. It's a Myanmar classical song. It gives a deep traditional feel, and it's not an easy song to sing at all. What makes it even more impressive is performing it together with live piano accompaniment. So how long did you practice to get so well in sync with your brother's piano playing?
1 week.
1 week of practice. Oh, 1 week of practice really paid off. You truly dare to choose this song, and that's why it's worth appreciating your courage in selecting such a challenging song and presenting it so well today. Thank you so much for participating here today. Okay, I would like to invite you to join next episodes of Shining Stars as well. I'm sure you're all pleased with the performance of our Shining Stars. Let's give them a huge round of applause.